Okay guys, it's Ball Outdoors, and it's the first Saturday of deer season, and I got 2 down. There's one right there, dropped in its tracks. And the other one's up there. So I'm gonna get down out of the sand a little bit and go get them. But using my Remington Model 710 30-06. So yeah, put a good shot on him. Shot the one in the neck and shot the other one right behind the shoulder.
You quit saying that.
So yeah, I'll go down and show you them in a little bit. Alright guys, we're going to get the first one I shot. I just got down out of the tree. It's right over here. This one only ran like 20 yards. I'll get some better video when we get them both into a spot. As you can see, she's down right there. Big doe. As you can see, there's the exit wound right there. Big doe. Shot her right through the front shoulder. She was quartering away from me a little bit. Smacked her and then blew out her guts, I think, or her lungs or something back there. But yeah, there's the first one. See, ran through here, tripping and falling, and the other one's back there. So I'll make another video of that one when we get this one taken care of. Alright guys, there's my tree stand right there. I drug this deer up from right there. It's laying there, and now it's time to go get the other one. As you can see, it's a pretty nice tree stand. Big 2-man tree stand. We built it ourselves. Now I gotta remember where this deer is. Oh, here she is. Didn't see anything all week for buck. Got 2 down. Another big doe. Dropped right in her tracks. Didn't move. So, gonna drag this one back up to the other one. Gotta get my brother and get some good video of these. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, I got both of them. So, going back to the truck. Sorry I didn't get it on video, but I couldn't. They came in way too quick. So, shot both of them and within 30 seconds. So I'll try to make more video when I get back to my house. Get better light and stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, even though I didn't get it on video. But yeah, see you guys next time.